Hello everyone, and welcome back to John and Mandy Go RVing. Thanks for joining us here at the 2022 Hershey RV Show. Today we are here sharing with everyone the 2023 Entegra Odyssey 26M Class C Motorhome. The length of this unit is 28 feet and 8 inches. It comes equipped with a 350 horsepower 7.3 liter V8 gas engine and a 7,500 pound hitch for towing with 750 pound tongue capacity. Some features include a tire pressure monitoring system which keeps track of the tire pressure and your tires, dual 15,000 BTU duct air condition units to keep you cool in the summer, and a 30,000 BTU auto ignition furnace to keep you warm in those cooler months, as well as an electric fireplace. The kitchen has an 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator, a residential size microwave, and a Furrion all-in-one cooktop with an oven. This motorhome has a 43.5 gallon freshwater tank, a 40 gallon gray water tank, and a 31 gallon black tank. If you are thinking of dry camping or boondocking, there's an option to add a 190 watt solar panel with dual controller and a second house battery. Also, there's an option to swap out the dinette for theater seating. Well, enough talking about some of the specifications and features of this 2023 Entegra Odyssey 26M. Let's get a closer look of what this RV has to offer, starting with the outside. Okay, starting on this side, we have a nice long awning, and you can see the awning lights are on. Looks like they left those on accidentally. Down here, we have a TV, speakers, storage right below. This is your propane. Regular storage. Your water heater's out here. Something nice about this is the outdoor kitchen. You have your burner, your grill, little drawer here, and a fridge. Looks like that one's taped together. And we have another storage unit here in the back with a shelf in it. On the other side here, we have our outdoor shower, your fuel tank. Down here we have your power, your wash bay switches. Coming around here, that's not open. Here's another spot for some storage. And then down here we have more storage here. And here's the generator. So you got an Onan QG 4000 generator inside this, just so you know. And that's it for the outside here.
So I'm sure many of you wonder how we're able to travel as often as we do.
One tool we like to use when looking for campgrounds is Thousand Trails.
It's a campground membership with plans to meet your camping needs. The Thousand Trails system offers a variety of RV sites, tent sites, and cabins, plus many offer a ton of amenities and activities. Many are located near popular vacation destinations. We found that the campgrounds serve as a perfect home base when we're exploring new areas. Thousand Trails can work for the weekend campers, full-time RVers, and every type of camper in between. The membership specialists will work with you personally to fit the membership to your camping needs and budget. Contact Michael and Lori, membership specialists who are ready to answer your questions. And please don't forget to mention John and Mandy Go RVing when you call.
So starting up here at the cab, we have a display screen for your GPS and such, music. You have an overhead bunk. This will help keep you in at night when you're sleeping. Coming over here, we have a nice U-shaped dinette set. Does drop down into a bed. Very nice size. Next to it, we have some storage cabinets. And we got some drawers down below here. Plenty of storage there. We have a Murphy bed in this unit. And straight across from the Murphy bed, this is what I like. Straight across from the Murphy bed is this entertainment center and nice sized fireplace. And you got a little bit of storage up above. You got some pantry space here next to the fridge. Decent sized fridge. See that up above. And coming over here to the kitchen, we have a 3-burner cooktop stove with an oven. And we got this microwave here and some storage up above. As well as over here for dishes. Nice stainless steel sink. I like how it's divided. Got some nice space underneath the sink for trash can, cleaning supplies, sponge, drawer, and then it looks like 3 regular drawers. They're not that deep though. Okay, so back here we got the bathroom yet. It's pretty big. A little skinny though. Nice porcelain toilet. We got a couple drawers over here. Some more up here. Bottom one has a shelf in it. And then we have these 2 big cabinets. You can fit a lot of medicine in there. Nice counter here, stainless steel sink. Some more storage down here. And that's a perfect size shower. Perfect. You actually have a hanger in there too if you want to hang some clothes. Well, thanks everyone for watching this video, and we hope you found this helpful. And if you did, please hit that like button and smash that subscribe button too. Thanks everyone. Take care.